people on.
Cowboy dance.
Bro, why did you just throw this ball? You just threw this ball at us and now it's all grassy and leafy. Our last jump on the trampoline. Rip.
Now it's getting taken down. Everybody go!
Well, our last jump on the trampoline until we can find our own place, I guess.
You came out here to help. No, we didn't. We just wanted to jump. Past the eyeball.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to our Big Vette channel. Riley just got whacked with the eyeball. Are you okay, Rue? Yeah, look at that. Like a champ. What a champ. Hey.
Dad.
Hey, little baseball thrower.
Dad,
We're gonna take down the trampoline today and put it away till we can find a new house. That eyeball did not look like an eyeball. It's real easy to take this off. You just gotta pull these springs out. You don't want to touch it while they're jumping because they do compress. All right, guys, get off. Let's start taking it apart. Get off. Get off.
No!
Yeah, don't pull your pants up. Ew, nobody wants to see that. Ew. All right, here we go. What? No, don't put that water on us. It's too cold. No, stop going in the water. Oh, no. At least it wasn't much. Ew. All right, come on, guys, get off. We got to take this apart, for real. We got to put her away. Get off. Get off. We got to take it apart.
Okay, but...
Okay. Adi just knocked a leg out. Cohen, you need to get off.
Oh.
Your brother just took it apart. So this one's really easy. Basically, yeah, you just lift it and boop. There to go. And look, even Cohen's over there getting some. Look, bam, there goes the trampoline. She's going down. Here, Cohen, I'll help you. Look. Oh, no, I really didn't want to have to take the springs off. Cohen's like, yo, I gotta slide now. Oh, gosh. And there it went. It just bent. All right, jump off, and we're gonna get these springs. Ow! I said to get off. That's why you don't want to grab it like that. It's better to take down when kids are not jumping on it. Yep. Forks. Let's try this again.
Oh, wait. Stop jumping!
It's such a pain. And then they go and stand on it and make it worse. It's easier if you have a tool to do this. They do make one. Alright, well, now we have the trampoline all picked up and put away. So, it's kind of a sad day. Let's go ahead and lock this. Walk on over here. Ignore the Corvette. And, well, there's our trampoline. Yep. Kind of sucks, but until we can find another house, maybe our own house, a new rental that'll allow trampoline, then we'll get that puppy back up because the boys absolutely love it. I love it. It's a ton of fun, and yeah, there are liabilities with it, but come on, man. It's all about the kids. Whatever. On to the next one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, let the boys know what you think about their jumping skills, and as always, Yeah, you want to show them that? You showing them that? That's pretty cool. Click that red subscribe button. There's about 5 red things right here. Boom, 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 and boom. I'm not sure what that is over there. Anyhow, click that red subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next video.
Dad, what are you doing?
Okay, tell them real quick.
Dad, down.
Okay.
And you want that video? And that double back.
Oh, super fast.
When you build a day time.
See you next time.